For Honor users, keeping files safe is key. In this video, we show 5 tested backup and restore methods to make recovery and device setup easy. Part 1. Perform Honor Backup Restore via MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. With the straightforward desktop workflow, backing up and restoring Honor phones becomes easier using MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac. Backup Honor using MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. Install and open Honor Sync on your PC. Connect your phone. Enable USB debugging if needed. Select Backup. Choose data types and storage location, then click Backup. Restore Honor using MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. After the software detects your phone, select Restore, pick the backup files, and click Restore to transfer them to your device. Part 2. Backup and Restore Honor using Honor Suite. Backup. Connect Honor to PC. Enable file transfer or HID. Open Honor Suite Backup and Restore. Select Data. Click Backup. Save to PC. Restore. Connect phone. Open Backup and Restore. Pick Backup. Select Data. Click Restore. Wait. Part 3. Backup and restore Honor phone via Honor Cloud. On your Honor phone, sign into your Honor or Huawei ID. Go to Cloud Backup, select Data, and tap Backup Now. Wait for completion. Part 4. Backup Honor and restore it via Google One. Backup on Honor. Go to Settings Backup, sign into Google, select Data, and tap Backup Now. Restore. Sign in. Choose Restore from Google Backup. Select Data. Tap Restore. Part 5. Backup and restore Honor device via SD card. Backup. Insert SD card settings. Backup and restore data. Backup. SD card. Select Data. Confirm. Restore. Insert SD card. Backup and restore. Restore SD card. Select Data. Confirm.